Hi, my name is Sanna and warm welcome to our Sun Salutation sequence. This is a dynamic and very energizing sequence that combines movement, breath and mindfulness. And throughout this practice, remember to listen to your body today, respect its limits and modify all the poses whenever you need to. Let's begin. So we start in our mountain pose, Tadasana. We stand tall with our feet hip width apart, toes pointing forward and arms resting by your sides. And feel the ground beneath you, elongating in your spine, relaxing in your shoulders. Take a few breaths deep into your belly, centering your focus on the present moment, here and now. And we're gonna come into an upward salute. So on your next inhale, raise your arms up overhead, palms facing each other. And if you want to, you can gently arch your back and gaze upward, lengthening your entire body, and keep your shoulders relaxed and away from your ears. Breathing deeply into your nose. Next exhale, we're gonna come into a forward fold, Uttanasana. So as you exhale, you will hinge at the hips, folding forward. Allow your hands to reach towards the floor. And your hands can be on your shins or the floor, whatever feels comfortable for you. Just relax in your shoulders, in your arms. Just let your head hang. If you want to, you can gently sway side to side. Whatever feels comfortable for you here. If you want to, you can bend your knees slightly. And on the next inhale, we're gonna come into a halfway lift. So inhale and you lift your torso halfway. So you bring your hands to your shins or onto your thighs. Whatever feels comfortable for you today. So you feel yourself lengthening in your spine, keeping it parallel to the floor. And you can draw your shoulder blades back. And you can gaze forward and feel yourself elongating the front of the body. So really feel yourself getting longer here. Just breathing. Always remember to breathe in a pose. So as you exhale, we're gonna step or jump back into high plank position. You can align your wrists directly under your shoulders here. And if you have tension in your hands, be gentle, or in your wrist, be gentle with yourself. So engage your core here, extend your legs behind you, and you keep your body in a straight line from head to heels. And just hold here for a moment, breathing deeply. You are strong, you are powerful, you are brave. You are amazing, just as you are. And then when you're ready, we can come into Chaturanga Dandasana, a low plank. So from the plank pose, you shift your body slightly forward. And then you bend your elbows close to your ribs. Or here you can put your knees down if you want to. And then you lower towards the floor. In the position here, and you want to keep your elbows at a 90-degree angle and just pause in that pose for a breath and modify if you need to. And if you want to pause, that is okay. If that was tough, I did a shoulder surgery half a year ago and I can still feel that this is tough for me. So you do you. Now we're gonna come into upward facing dog. So you inhale, roll off your toes, and you're gonna lift your chest forward and upward, straightening your arms, lifting your thighs off the mat and keep your knees off the floor. You open your heart and broaden your collarbone. It's breathing. You're strong, you're beautiful. And from this position, we come into a downward facing dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. So as you exhale, you want to tuck your toes, lift your hips high, and shift in an inverted V shape. So we push up to a downward dog. And if you want to here, you can walk the dog. Yes. Whatever feels good for you. So you're lengthening the spine, you press your heels down towards the mat. It's okay if they don't touch the mat. And you should relax your head and neck and breathing deeply here. And whenever you feel ready, we are gonna come into halfway lift. So we're gonna inhale and step or jump our feet forward, returning to halfway lift position. So lengthening again our spine, gazing forward, and you feel the stretch here in the back of your legs. Just breathing deeply. And then we're gonna come into forward fold. So exhale, fall forward completely. Uttanasana, let your arms hang here. Relax in your head. Maybe do a yes, yes, no, no thing. You stand here completely still, just breathe. Hopefully you feel some energy in your body starting. Just allow your body to relax here, surrender to the pose. So on your next inhale, you're gonna rise up with a flat back, reaching your arms overhead. Just feel the energy radiating through your fingertips. Beautiful. And then just let your arms come back down. And then we have done one sun salute. Beautiful, you're amazing. Hopefully you feel some energy moving in your body. If you want to, we can do one more time in mountain pose. Just lower your arms here. Return. Feel yourself grounding. Feel the calmness in your body. Just notice the effect of doing this Sun Salutation sequence. Beautiful. So when you feel ready, we can inhale and bring our arms up overhead, palms together, gazing towards your thumbs. Feel yourself lengthening in your spine, engaging your core, relaxing in your shoulders. Just take a deep breath here in the position. And when you're ready, we're gonna exhale, hinge at the hips, to a forward fold. Beautiful. And on your next inhale, coming up to a halfway lift. Inhale, and then you lift your torso up with your back straight. Keep your hands on the shins or on the floor. And then we're gonna exhale and step back into a plank. Forming a straight line here, from head to heels. Engaging in your core, hold for a moment here. Breathing, beautiful, you are strong and you can do this. You are amazing. Perfect. Then we're gonna come into chaturanga. If you want, you can lower your body down with control. You're keeping your elbows close to your ribs. If it's too challenging, drop your knees to the floor. And then when you feel ready, you're gonna breathe in and come up to a upward facing dog. So you inhale and you roll off your toes, straightening your arms, you lift your chest, gazing up, keep your thighs off the ground, engaging your legs. Amazing. And then we're gonna come into a downward facing dog. So exhale, lift your hips up and back. Let's walk the dog here. Beautiful. We're standing still here. You want your tushy to be pointing backwards, feel some lengthening in the spine. Breathing deeply. And when you feel ready, you can jump forward or just walk forward into a forward fold. So you come up to the front of the mat and then you exhale, fold forward. Beautiful. And on the next inhale, come up, rise up, bring your arms overhead, palms together, gazing towards your thumbs. And on your next exhale, return to starting position. Hands in prayer at your heart center. Just take a moment to breathe, center yourself. Amazing, beautiful. I hope you feel some energy in your body. This is a wonderful way to warm up. And remember to always practice at your own pace, honor your own body and what you need to. Feel free to continue repeating the sequence more times if you want to deepen the experience. Thank you so much for joining me today in the Sun Salutation sequence. May you carry the warmth and energy of the sun today. Namaste. I wish you a beautiful day. Thank you so much for doing this practice, for being a light in this world. Namaste.